Hi, my name is Daniel Olmos, and I'm part of Salt JavaScript Bootcamp. And in this weekend, I built a push-up tracker and leaderboard API using TypeScript and Express.js, and everything from the tech stack that was required. The app has two main features, push-up sessions and leaderboard, both of which operate separately or independently. Here's my big picture plan for working with this project. Here you can see the full tech stack requirement. Also, you can see that Pushup session feature has its own local database, and likewise with leaderboard. And here is my project plan board, which has divided the weekend into 5 half days in total, where first half day started Friday afternoon and fifth half day being Sunday afternoon. Now I'm going to show you that the application actually works. So we put in npm run dev. Now the app is running. So let's see if we can get all sessions, which is okay. It's always going to give you empty array in the beginning. So let's test to post a session. That's our first session posted. We get the session UID, date, repetitions, and notes when inputting repetitions and notes. Now, if we want to fetch if we want to get sessions, we press here and we get an array of objects of sessions and we get the session that we already inputted. Also, if we want to, we can create more sessions. So repetitions 2, day 2, getting gradually stronger. Then by the third day, now we can get all the sessions again and see that we have 3 sessions, 3 push-up sessions. Now that we have that, we can try to fetch a session. Try to fetch, get a session by ID, which you would do with this. And clearly it works, because we took the UID from the third day, and we got that day, 10 repetitions. Also, if we try to delete that third day, we can also do that. So now if we try to get all sessions again, we only get the first and second day. Now, if we want to patch a session, we could do that as well by switching the UID. And now we can say this is day 200 to be certain it was the one that we patched. Session updated successfully. Now, if we get all the sessions again, see that the repetitions has turned over to 500 and it's day 200, which means that patch worked. Also, we can try out get leaderboard, which is going to be empty in the beginning. So we can send in first post in leaderboard, which is 1 max repetition by done. And now we can get that. Now you can see the leaderboard session has been posted. We can post more just to see that it works. Only. Why not? We can add one more Marcus. Now, if we get all the sessions, we have them right here. Now I can show you the test going. So if we do npm test, that is basically a test for integration test of all the endpoints for both session and leaderboard. And also we have unit test for both leaderboard and sessions. For the requirement of needing to implementing at least one of each of the following routes: get all, create, get by ID, delete and update. All of these routes were inside session feature, and leaderboard had get all and create routes. So that's the requirement done. Also, for code architecture, I have used factory functions where create leaderboard database is a example of that, and it's the same thing in create session database. Also, in leaderboard feature, create leaderboard feature also is a example of factory function usage. Now I will show you each of the router endpoints. So here we have posting one session where we post it from using the application. And here we have getting one session where we deep equal the result body dot repetition. So each of the attributes compared with the mock session itself. Also here we do test get session by UUID after having a post. So this is how we did it. We also deleted a session by UUID after a post. So you would wanna maybe delete this after because it's not typed correctly. After that, we have patch session by ID that exists. So should be UUID. Yeah. Also, we have the same thing, get for leaderboard when empty post to leaderboard, post and get leaderboard post. So yeah. Also, unit testing the leaderboard where I got the zombies unit test for at least one feature, which would be this one, leaderboard database. So first off, we start with testing, should start with an empty leaderboard, which it does. Then we add a leaderboard post and which retrieve it, which would be the one case of the zombies. And then the last test would be having multiple posts and getting them. So that would be the zombies requirement for leaderboard database. And that's it for this weekend project. Thank you for listening.